Welcome back to the channel, everybody. All right, I know it's been a little while since I've given an update on the cars, but I'm going to give you a quick update on the BMW. Finally got to drop it off at the shop. Got it up on the lift a couple days ago, so I'm actually going to go check it out today and take a video under the car and we'll check it out. But for now, the Sentra is all cleaned up. I actually got to clean it today, so she's not at her prime, but I mean, she cleans up pretty well. So you can see, update on the headlights. I did them about a year ago, I think it was, and they're looking like crap again. These are the new ones that I replaced them with. So if you are gonna get a pair, make sure you get, spend a little extra money and get a good pair, because these only lasted about a year and they're not looking really good. They're yellowing and they're like flaking or something. I don't know what's going on, but as you can see, I mean, not in the greatest condition. Also an update on what's up, also an update on the clock spring that I changed. Again, $25 paid for it, and I got no horn again. So there goes that. I'm gonna have to replace that again. But I mean, like I said, starts right up, no issues. Let's get a nice little cold start here. So as you've seen, the car started right up, no problems, no issues. And I'm now sitting on 400, let's see if it's focusing there, 414,964 miles. The engine service light has been on forever. Can't figure out what that is. But now let's take a trip over, check out the BMW. Like, share, subscribe, and see you guys in another video.